everyone, this is Varsha and I am the STEM instructor at ScienceUtsav. So whenever you are lost somewhere, what do? You open up your mobile and go to Google Maps, right? And you find your location. So what we're going to do today is we're going to embed a Google Map into your website. We're going to learn how to do it. So let's get started. So the very first thing is that you need to create a new file. So this is the new file that I have. I need to save it first. So I will go on File and click on Save As. And here I will go on a directory. For example, if I go on F drive and I will simply say maps.html. Now, if I want to save any of the document in HTML, it should be with .html extension. So it can be your name.html or maps.html or Google Maps.html or anything. But it needs to be .html. And then I'm going to save this. So now the first thing that we write whenever we write an HTML document is the HTML tag itself. That is the root tag. Now here I'm using the brackets text editor to write the HTML code. And this text editor is very smart. I'll tell you a shortcut trick here. So instead of writing a long code or a long syntax of HTML, what we really need to do is just type the exclamation mark and click on tab. And there it is. You can remove the unnecessary codes over here, like we have the HTML lang and the meta tags over here. For now, you don't really need to struggle to understand what does that mean. So here, the title tag, I will just change the title of my page. I'll write my website. And here I'm going to embed the Google Map in the body section. How do we do that? Simply go on Google Chrome and just type Google Maps. And there it is, the first link. Simply click on this. And here you can place any of the locations. So for example, if I write India Gate, Delhi, and I'll search this location. And there it is, here you can see it. It might take some time. And here it is, the India Gate that you can see. Now, if you want to embed it in your website, what you really need to do is here on this tab where you can see the India Gate, here you have a share sign. Just click on share. And here you have embed a map. Go on embed a map. And here you have copy HTML. Simply click on copy HTML. And after this, here it says copy to clipboard. You can simply click it over here. You can simply paste it over here in the body tag. Here it says we have the width, height, and the style, and allow full screen, and all the attributes is mentioned over here. I'll simply save this and let's execute it. So you see there is a lightning symbol over here. Just click on that. Or if you're using some other text editor, I'll tell you how to actually open your website. And here you can see the entire map. So if you're using some other text editor, just go on the F drive where you have actually saved your files. And there you can see your maps. Click on maps and here it is. Your maps are being embedded on your website. Isn't it easy? So you can apply this trick, the simple trick, just by going on Google Maps, type the address that you want to locate on your website and simply share it, and there you get an option of embed a map, copy it and paste it in your body section. This is how it works and it is so easy. So this is all for now, and please like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you.